The world has not seen a greater industry disruptor like Elon Musk. When the world's richest man has his eyes set on whatever industry you're in, then it's either you buckle up or watch your brand make its way into an early grave. Musk has now set his sight on the smartphone industry, and Tesla's pioneer phone model, the Tesla Model Pi, is now expected to give every industry giant a run for their money. Join us as we explore the soon-to-be-released Tesla Model Pi and all of the insane features the device is expected to be packed with. Musk has recently reignited interest in the much-anticipated Tesla Model Pi smartphone, following a tweet he made in a response to a Twitter user who beckoned on the billionaire to release his own smartphone to smite Apple and other Android smartphones. In Musk's own words, "I certainly hope it does not come to that, but yes, if there is no other choice, I will make an alternative phone." Now, since this tweet, which the Tesla boss made on November 25th, there's been so much buzz about the rather overdue Model Pi phone from Tesla. The Model Pi is the pioneer smartphone from the EV giant and is highly anticipated to be one of the most technologically advanced smartphones ever to be produced. And while there's still no official information yet from Tesla about some of the insane specs that the Model Pi is expected to come with, there are already some wild speculations making the rounds on the internet. According to these widespread speculations, this new-age mobile device from Tesla is expected to come with cutting-edge hardware specs that'll include an AMOLED curved display, a 6.7-inch screen panel, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 458 ppi pixel density. The Model Pi is also expected to come with up to 2 terabytes of storage space and 8 to 16 gigabytes RAM. Aside from having a rear camera system that will come with a triple camera setup with 50 MP on each lens and a selfie camera with a 40 MP lens, the Model Pi's camera is also anticipated to be a 3D camera that'll have retina scanning technology and facial recognition software. Tesla's high-end technology will also allow the Model Pi cameras to produce crisp and brilliant images, the likes of which no camera in existence today can match up to. Its cameras would also have the rare ability to operate independently, allowing you to shoot videos with one lens while taking images with the other. Aside from having AI-enabled and sophisticated cameras like any other smartphone presented in the market, the lens of the Model Pi would additionally possess an interplanetary focus that'll make it capable of capturing outstanding images of the night sky. This will be thanks to SpaceX's unique contribution to the Model Pi that'll make it the first mobile device capable of capturing impressive images of astronomical objects from the Earth. But not even this exceptional camera capability of the Model Pi or any of its other hardware specs come close to its other stellar features that'll truly make it mark the beginning of a new era as far as smartphone production is concerned. Foremostly, the Model Pi will be a 5G smartphone and will be satellite-enabled. This will mean that in the history of smartphone production, it'll be the first smartphone to possess satellite internet. This will be based on SpaceX's space-based internet service, Starlink. With Starlink, the Model Pi will have incomparable download and upload speeds, which will take other smartphones in the market probably another decade to catch up with. Also, you'll still be able to get access to the internet irrespective of wherever you might be on the planet, plus you wouldn't need a SIM card to access the internet. There are even rumors that the Model Pi would play a crucial role in Mars colonization. The only challenge in this regard at the moment remains how Tesla would find a way around the big antennas that often come attached to satellite phones. But with Tesla being one of the most innovative technology companies around, there are already speculations that the tech giant has devised a solution that'll see this antenna fit into the phone like a chip while still offering good service and a great internet connection. The Model Pi will also feature unprecedented solar charging technology. This will be in addition to being able to get charged up via cable connections to wall outlets and via other wireless options that are already common with other smartphones. And with Tesla already possessing the technology for producing solar panels and batteries for its EVs, including this feature in its upcoming smartphone is in no way a far-fetched idea. The speculation now is that Tesla could release branded cases that would integrate solar charging hardware and use solar energy to power the phone. And just as no other EV in the world comes close to Tesla's EVs in terms of their battery life and mileage, the battery life of the Model Pi will also be incredibly stunning. This marvel of a smartphone would be able to last for several days without requiring a charge regardless of how frequently you use it. And just as Tesla EVs remain the undisputed leader in the world as far as rapid electric vehicle charging technology is concerned, the Model Pi will also come with the craziest superchargers you've ever seen. These superchargers would be able to jack up your phone from 0 to 100% in a matter of minutes, greatly reducing the amount of time you need to spend waiting for your phone to get sufficiently or fully charged. With Musk being very vocal and passionate about cryptocurrency and even having very sizable crypto investments, particularly in Dogecoins, another popular speculation making the rounds is that this soon-to-be-released Tesla phone would come with hardware that'll be capable of mining cryptocurrency. To many, this is another proof of just how powerful the Model Pi would be, given that crypto mining requires a lot of computational firepowers. There are also rumors that this smartphone would be capable of mining a new coin called the Mars coin, a coin which Musk himself has hinted about, and with this additionally how powerful the Model Pi would need to be if any of these is to be possible. With Neuralink being another company owned by Musk, the Model Pi is also anticipated to be capable of interfacing with the human brain. A Neuralink app specifically for the Model Pi is reportedly already in development. Now, this right here will probably be the most mind-blowing feature of the Model Pi, as it'll allow you to send signals from your brain to your phone via Neuralink interaction and using a wireless connection. You'll be able to operate your phone with your mind rather than physically having to enter the commands. With the strong processing capability that the Model Pi is predicted to possess, it'll be strong and smart enough to interpret the electrical impulses of the brain into a language that your phone can understand. With no other smartphone possessing this capability, the Tesla Model Pi will unquestionably be the first to achieve this feat. And if you already own a Tesla automobile, the Model Pi would be even more fulfilling for you, and here's why. You see, while the Tesla app already exists for both iOS and Android, and which Tesla owners presently use for functions like car lock unlock, media playback control, and summon the vehicle, it'll be nothing compared to the built-in app that'll come with the Model Pi, which would be capable of more diverse functions. The Model Pi apps will work much better with your Tesla automobile and give you a greater degree of command over every aspect of your car, especially its cameras. For context, regardless of how far away from your Tesla EV, you'll always be able to keep an eye on it using your Model Pi smartphone. You'll be able to always view whatever is going on in the vicinity where your Tesla car is parked. This technology will also help you safeguard your car from theft, as the Model Pi allows you to always have your car under strict surveillance. The Model Pi will also assist you in effectively and seamlessly monitoring other Tesla gadgets that you might have in your home, as it'll offer deeper product interaction that'll allow you to interface with any Tesla gadget that you might have within your home. For context, you can use it to remotely monitor your solar tiles and your power generation level. You'll also be able to use the Model Pi in regulating the rate of power generation, as well as get real-time notifications on the status of your solar batteries as they charge and discharge. The processors and semiconductors of the Model Pi are still being developed by Tesla's EV subsidiary. These processors will also come with the newly designed chips that Tesla recently started producing for its EVs in-house. There are also other speculations that the processor could be an octa-core processor like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. The Model Pi chips, aside from having improved thermal efficiency, would also come with unmatched processing speed and power that'll make the device the most powerful smartphone on the planet. Not even Apple's latest iPhone, whatever it be at the time of the Model Pi's release, would be able to keep up. The Model Pi is also anticipated to lead the chart in terms of its cost, with the asking price for the phone being presently speculated to be anywhere between $800 to $1,200. This high-end price will effectively make the smartphone one of the costliest phones around, and one that only an exclusive few would be able to afford with a one-off payment. But you do not have to despair yet, especially if you're a Tesla fan. As you might be well aware, Tesla has a reputation for providing its customers with several payment gateways that make it easier and more convenient to acquire any of its latest inventions. So, as with the EVs and other Tesla products, you'll also be able to get the Model Pi upon its release by using either the lease, loan, or cash options for payment. This way, you'd still be able to get the insane smartphone as soon as it hits the market and pay for it using any of the payment methods that fit your budget best and are most convenient. Additionally, with the price of the Model Pi expected to be way above the $100 threshold, this would also mean that your mobile device will be delivered for free by Tesla to your doorstep, saving you from the extra money in delivery fee charge. The Model Pi would have a significant advantage over every other smartphone that's presently on the market. It'll debut many unprecedented smartphone features and have an extensive ecosystem that'll immediately make it the most powerful smartphone in the world, and also make Tesla a dominant force in the smartphone industry.